Hi, yesterday we used customary units of length to compare. That's what we're doing again today. Before we get too far in, let's see what you remember. I have 1 foot equals how many inches? If you said 12, you are correct. How many feet are in 1 yard? If you said 3, you are correct. And how many inches are in 1 yard? If you said 36, you are correct. This is important. You must remember it. Let's go ahead and do some problems using these numbers. First thing we are going to do is 4 feet equal how many inches? Well, go ahead and give it a try. Please remember to circle your unit in the corner. Let's see how you did. I have feet and I have inches, and what we just covered was that there are 12 inches in every foot. So I'm going to put my units of 12 in the corner and circle it. Now that I know that my unit is 12 and I have 4 of those, I'm just going to multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. I now have 48. So if you said 48 inches, you would be correct. Let's try the next one. How many feet are in 5 yards? All right, let's see what you did. We have yards and feet, and in that, what I needed to remember, that there were 3 feet in every yard. So please put the unit of 3 and circle it. Now that I know my unit is 3 and that I have 5 of those, well, 3 times 5 is 15. I have 15 feet. Here's the next one to try. If I have 8 yards, well, how many feet do I have? Go ahead. Let's see how you did. In the corner, I am going to write 3, and I'm going to circle it because there are 3 feet in every yard. So 3 is my unit. Well, I know I have 3, and there are 8 of those because I have 8 yards. 3 times 8 is what? If you said 24, you are correct. Here's the next one we're going to do. We are going to compare. So in order for us to compare, we are going to rewrite this. We're going to write 4 feet, and we're going to write, I'm going to put a circle to separate them, 50 inches. Well, I now know that it is feet and inches, so I'm going to put my unit in the corner and circle it. What unit would I put in the corner to circle? If you said 12, you are correct. Well, 12 is in inches and 50 is in inches. I don't have to do anything. But 12 is in inches and this one is in feet. I am going to have to change that. So I'm going to multiply 4 times 12. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. I now have 48 inches. They are now in the same unit and I can compare. Which one is bigger? 48 inches or 50 inches? Well, 50 is larger, so I'm going to compare like that. I want you to try this one on your own. If I have 6 feet and I want to compare it to, let's say, 67 inches, what do I do? All right, let's see how you did. First thing I'm going to do is I am going to put in the corner my unit. It says inches, feet, so I know my unit is going to be 12. I'm going to put 12 and I'm going to circle it. Well, this is in inches, so 12, and this is in inches. Do I need to change this? No, they're both in inches. Let's go to this one. This is in feet, and this one is in inches. Will they match? No, I need to change that. I am going to multiply by 12. Well, 6 times 12. 6 times 2 is 12. Regroup my 1. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. 72 inches. Now, I have them both in inches, and I can compare. Which one is larger, 72 or 67? 72 is larger. So, please make sure that you convert things so that they are in the same unit so you can compare. Because if you were going to compare 6 and 67, well, 67 is larger. But in truth, once you convert them into inches, this one, 6 feet, is larger. All right, thank you.